project, yeah?
Yeah!
Yeah!
That's what happens. Bit of that, mate. It's just another day. Another day, mate. Jimmy, I thought you were meant to be doing a 25, not a diesel.
Ecotec.
I do everything around here.
What do you do?
You name it, I'll help.
You'll help.
I don't know if I get it done, but I'll help.
Mate, you seem to be acquiring lots of cars around here.
Well, this is a kayak.
Are you running a legal business?
Call the council.
Yeah, I'm going to ring him up. I've had enough.
It's not someone who cares.
She's a 67S.
Is she? Fucking South Africa, mate. South Africa.
Cylinder made in South Africa, so it is. Sweet as 6 cylinders, sweet as, mate.
To another video by Mr. Project, and in this video I have just received the wastegate, which is in this package here, so we're about to check it out. Let's have a look. Inside the box we have our wastegate. It's actually freaking pretty big, so I reckon this is going to be able to control our boost nicely. Comes with a flange and all of our fittings, and then over here I've literally just sat this on, test fitted it in the car to make sure it's not going to hit anything, and pretty much where it is now it is going to be fantastic. And the wastegate will bolt straight onto the bottom, so I'm going to weld that up now, then we're going to fit it all back into the car and hopefully make some boost.
Working on distance, mate.
Look at this! Look at the mess everywhere. He's dirty. He's dirty. Dirty boy. Dirty boy. Holy shit. It's a new day. We now have the wastegate down in there. You can see it just in there. Everything's working just as it should. Still having problems with oil drainage, and it's just a pain. I'm just still trying to figure it all out. Got a bit of crap hanging out of there. That's a bit of gasket. So I've just put some gasket sealer on that and just letting that dry. And let's just, fingers crossed, hope that that stops leaking. Just got the new airflow meter, so we're going to put that in. And also, I haven't really pointed it out, but you've probably already seen. You can see where the intercooler piping is going, right on the back of the turbo. That is not good, so we're going to probably have to take this off and heat wrap it. I guess that's why everybody puts the throttle body on the other side. But we're going to heat wrap it to stop any problems happening there. Put the new airflow meter in, and then we're going to take it for a test drive, and hopefully everything's good. I have driven it, and it is making 5 pounds of boost. Probably going to have to put a boost tee in it, because up around 10 is fine. 5 pounds is fine as well. So let's get stuck into it. Let's get this pipe off. We're all up and running, and it is absolutely mint. No more misfiring, no more carrying on. I'm about to explain everything. I'll just turn the car off. I'll give it a dose first. We'll dose her up. Well, you wouldn't believe it. There was nothing wrong with the airflow meter. It was actually a vacuum leak underneath the throttle body there. You can see it just there. I've just blocked it off temporarily. That is where the issue started. So that runs back into a valve and heads back down into the fuel tank or something like that. It's something to do with that. I'm not 100% sure what that is for, but we've disconnected it, and our PCV valve was not working correctly, and when that was plumbed back into the throttle body, every time you hit boost it would pressurize the sump, not allowing the turbo to drain, and that is why we had all those issues with the turbo drain. Since doing that, it is now not missing. We don't have any more oil drain problems at all. Nothing. Fantastic. Absolutely stoked about that. I did chuck this up on the internet last night, and I tell you what, there is some Facebook warriors out there that just want to have their say on the internet. It is rather annoying. Look, I'm just trying to sell the car. because I want to build something else. There's nothing wrong with the car. I'd keep it, but I've got 1, 2 cars in the garage. So it's time to move this bad boy on. I built it to move it on. So how about we calm down. I did put the car up yesterday just to see what sort of interest I would get. I got a lot of interest, and I also got a lot of haters and people that obviously have not watched my video. I built the car literally to prove everybody wrong, because everybody on the internet, and I read this and I read that, and you need to tune and you got to do this. Look, if the car was running stupid boost, then yeah, you'd upgrade the fuel system, you'd upgrade the ECU, you'd go and get it tuned, just like I did previously with that VL over there. All right, this car is not anything like that. It's been done before, it's been done now, it's going to get done again. Lots of people have done it and it works. So all I'm doing is showing everybody that it does work. And if you do run massive boost, you are going to blow it up. That is why it's not running massive boost. What we're going to do now is we're going to jump in the car and we're going to take it for a quick test run, just so you can see how it goes. So let's do it. All right, let's see how much boost she can make. £5. Bit of external gate time, here we go. There we have it. Everything's perfect. Everything is working. We're pretty much at the end of this project. I don't think there's much else to do besides clean it up and get rid of it. I think that's what we're going to do, and then we're going to move on to our next project. So I put the car up for sale, and in a matter of minutes I got this message. Look at that. What an absolute legend. Shout out right back at you. Forgot your name. I bet it was there on the screen somewhere. You're a legend. It is, guys, it's all done. The whole car is complete. I'm just going to clean it up and we're going to get rid of it, and if we make a profit, we make a profit. If we don't, we don't. Hopefully I can at least break even, and I'll probably never do that again if I don't break even or make a profit. But the next car is going to be something very, very different. I'm not 100% sure on what I'm going to do yet. I would like to do something JDM or maybe something LS turbo. I don't know, leave a comment. Tell us what you reckon. There's got to be something out there. Maybe something completely different that no one's ever done. I don't know. I've got to think about it. But as soon as this is gone and Christmas has been and gone, as soon as Christmas is over, I'll get something else and we'll do it all again. Until then, I'll catch you on the next one.